Come, ladies and gentlemen, in this lesson we are going to talk about circle. So this all around of circle is called circumference. The distance between center and circumference is called radius, represented by r. So this one is called diameter. From any point of the circumference to the other point of circumference, this line must pass through the center. This is going to call as diameter. Diameter is 2 radius, represented by capital R. Alright, now formula. Area of circle is pi times r square, and circumference is going to be 2 times pi times r. Alright, 2 times pi times r radius. So we are going to use those two formulas too much. So I'm going to use A instead of area and C instead of circumference. I'm not going to write every time area, every time circumference. Alright, now let's pass to our questions and see what will we come across. Alright, now my first question is that radius of the circumference is 5 centimeter. What is the area and what is the circumference? So what was the formula? Area equals to pi times r square. R is 5 centimeter. That will be pi times 5 square, which is going to be 25 pi centimeter square. Because when I was taking 5 square, I was taking 5 centimeters square. That's why I put the 25 pi centimeters square. Okay, so in options they give you generally 25 pi, but the value of pi is normally 22/7 or 3,14, and it goes to infinity, and every time the number changes, right? 3,14 and goes like that, or 22/7. But for now we are not going to use, we don't need to use. In options they will give you 25 pi as answer. So circumference equals to 2 times pi times r. R is 5, that will be 2 times pi times 5, so which is going to be 10 pi centimeter. Alright, my next question is that, so radius of the circle is 20 centimeter, and the shaded area, shaded region. So what is the area of shaded region and circumference of shaded region? So as you see, this is exactly half of the circle. So what I need to do is that I'm just going to divide the formula of circle by 2. This formula was 2 pi times r square over 2. So that will be 2 times 20 square will be 400 over 2. That will give me 200 pi centimeter square. Alright, so for the circumference, the same story. 2 pi r was my formula for the whole circle, and we are going to divide it by 2 to find the semicircle. Sometimes we are going to have quarter. At that time we are going to buy 4, of course. So that will be simplify, pi r. R was 20, which is going to be 20 pi centimeter for the question. Alright, my next question is that radius of circle is 10 centimeter and this is 60 degree, and the question is asking what is the area of shaded region. Okay, so in previous question there was half exactly, that's why I just divided by 2, but in this question there is degree there. So at that time you do like this, pi r square times this degree, doesn't matter what you have, over, so all around this one is full revolution, which is 360 degrees, 360. Alright, now I can simplify this and this to each other before doing any operation. So now pi times radius is 10 square over 6, which is going to be 100 pi over 6. Of course I'm going to simplify this and this, that will be 50, that will be 3. The final answer is going to be 50 pi over 3 centimeters square. Another question with angle to understand this part better. So the radius is 4 centimeter, my degree angle is 150, and the area of shaded region. So again, area equals to pi r is 4 square times this angle over full revolution all around the circle, which is 360. So now I'm going to simplify them before do this operation even. 0, 0 simplify to each other. So now I'm not done. Divided by 3, divided by 3. It will be 5 over 12. Alright, now from this one will be pi times 16 times 5 over 12. I can simplify this and this to each other. That will simplify by 4, simplify by 4, 3, which is going to be 4 times 520 pi over 3 centimeters square. Centimeter square. Alright, now in this question I have two circles. One of them has 5 centimeter radius and the other one 10 centimeter. So the question is asking you what is the area of region, shaded region, this region. Alright, what you do is that you are going to calculate area of this circle and this circle, big circle separately. Then you are going to subtract the small one from the big one. Let's say like that, area bigger equals to pi times r square, pi times 10 square, which is going to be 10 pi centimeter square. This is for big one. Alright, now I'm going to find the area of a small one. Let's say area S, small, which is going to be pi times r square is 5 square, which is going to be 25 pi centimeter square. All right, now for the shaded area, bigger area, bigger circle minus area of small one. That will give me 100 minus 25, which is going to be 25 centimeters square. All right, the final answer is 75 centimeter square. That's going to be your final answer. So my next question is that the radius of that small circle is 10 centimeter. The big circle is 30 centimeter. Radius 1, radius 2. And this degree is 80 degree. What is the shaded area of shaded region? So in this question you can do by two methods. You can solve by two methods. The first one is that you can calculate the area of the big one for 80 degrees and small one, then subtract this one from big one. You will find the shade area, or you will find normal, not 80 degree, area of normal big shape, then small shape, then subtract small shape from big one, then multiply by 80 over 360. All right, I suggest the second one. Find the area of big one. Let's say area bigger b equals to 2 times, pi times r square. R square is 30. 30 square is 900. So 900 pi centimeter square. And area of small, that will be pi times 10 square will be 100 square. All right, now subtract to each other. Just subtract from there. That will give you 800 centimeters square. 800 pi centimeters square. Then I'm going to calculate for 80 degree. That will give me 800 pi times 80 over 360. Right now, see, this 0, simplify to each other. 8 divided by 4, 2. 36 divided by 4, 9. I'm thinking, can I simplify more now? No. So 800 times 2, which is going to be 1600 pi over 9. That will be your final answer. 1600 pi over 9. So thank you so much for watching that video. Have a good day. Bye.